In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get things done in 2025 on Trello. 5 minutes. Let's jump in and build a simple, reliable system you can stick with. Start by heading to Trello and either signing up or logging in. It's free to get started, and once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. Create a new personal board. This is your command center, so keep it personal to your workflow rather than a team space. Give the board a clear, motivating title that tells you exactly what it's for, like a theme or outcome you care about. A good title keeps you focused and makes the board feel worth opening every day. Decide whether the board should be private or public. Private is best for personal planning, since only you can see it. Public makes sense only if you want to share your process or outcomes more widely, so choose what fits your situation. Now set up a few lists that represent the stages of your workflow. Keep it simple so it stays usable. Many people like something like inbox, next, doing, waiting, and done, but choose names that make sense to you. The goal is to be able to drag tasks from left to right and instantly see progress. On this board, every card is one task or a small actionable step in a bigger project. If a task feels vague, break it down until you know exactly what done looks like. Action verbs help, like write, email, draft, or schedule. To save time, you can add cards in bulk. Copy a list of tasks from a notes app, click to add a new card, paste your list, and confirm creating multiple cards at once. It's a fast way to populate your board without repetitive typing. Click into any card to add context. This is your task's home base. Add details that future you will appreciate, like links, notes, or resources. Use Markdown to format your description so key points stand out. Clear subtitles, short sections, and checklists make even complex tasks feel manageable. Set deadlines and reminders so nothing slips. Add a due date or a start date if you want to begin early. Trello will notify you as the date approaches, and you can adjust notifications to match your preferences. Finally, use color-coded labels to categorize by priority, context, or project type. Define what each color means and stick to it. With labels, due dates, and clear lists, you can scan the board in seconds and know where to focus. Move cards across the lists as you work, keep descriptions tidy, and review the board daily. With this setup, you'll get more done with less friction.